I'm a nature-loving girl. I respect the environment. We recycle. We use environmentally friendly products. I honor Mother Nature. But apparently I've ticked her off recently, to the point where she actually had Joan Collins scratch me to the point where I bled. And I'm not even blaming Joan. I'm the one that wasn't paying attention to where she was at. I stepped to the side, landed right on that fluffy tail. She reacted, and she had every right to react the way she did. I actually pulled some of the fur out of her tail. We're honeybee keepers, which is what caused this. Yeah, I'm not blaming the bees. It was my own stupid mistake. I took off my protective gear before I should have. We organic garden. We plant native plants here close by. And it's not Mother Nature's fault either. I wasn't paying attention to what I was doing. I was not in the present moment. I was not thinking through the steps I was taking and the actions I was taking that resulted in the bee stings and resulted in Joan retaliating for me accidentally hurting her. And that tells me I need to go sit and meditate, get things right in my own head again, and make sure that I am being mindful in everything I do. You want to learn more? Go check out workingmindfully.net or look me up on YouTube under Working Mindfully. I'll give you all types of guided meditations with great visuals, great sound and music, so you can help reinforce the meditation journey and mindfulness journey you're already on, or you can start a mindfulness practice of your own. I hope to see you there.